Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you font changing text tutorial using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application. Make sure that you have already installed InShot application on your mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project. We can click on video and then select new. And then we're going to choose this blank clip. Okay. And then I'm going to change the duration. You can choose duration and then you can make it 2 seconds. Alright, and wait, let me remove the watermark, the InShot watermark. Okay, done. I have already removed the watermark and then I'm going to add text to this project. But wait, let me stretch the screen to make it easier. And I'm going to go to the text, select text, and I'm going to add font changing. Okay. And you can choose the font that you like guys, and I'm going to zoom in like this, and then we can split the text. You can split it up every 0.1 second like this, and I'm going to split and again split, and then we can change the font. You can go to edit and go to the font, and I'm going to apply this font, and you can do it until the rest of the video. Oops. Okay, split and edit. I'm going to change it to this font. Okay, we need to do it one by one guys, and I know it's tiring, but the result will be cool. I'm going to apply this font. Oops, this one. Okay, split and edit. I'm going to apply this one. Okay, and one more time guys. Okay, and I'm not gonna do it until the rest of my video to make the process faster, because this is just for an example. Okay, edit, and I'm going to apply this font. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.